Hey, happy Saturday. Wanted to jump in here and record a quick video. I got a question on a DSCR loan. So let me just jump in and share my screen. This will be a quick video. This is an important thing for investors, and I want to show you some of the numbers here. So I'm going to use some assumptions here. I'm just going to show you a price of $500,000, and I'm going to show you with 20% down, principal and interest, estimated tax and insurance. Obviously, this can be varied based on what the other numbers are. But here's what's cool about this. If you haven't heard about the DSCR loan before, you need to know about this for your clients that are investors or looking to expand their portfolio without tax returns. So the DSCR loan only cares about how much rental income's coming in. Obviously, there's credit qualifying, and you have to have 20% down, generally speaking. There's different variations of that. And it could be a first or second, which is cool. But let's talk about mainly the first mortgage for right now. So let's just say the monthly payment is about $2,800 a month. The rental amount is going to have to be basically the same amount of money. Now, it can vary a little bit from this, which is okay. And there's some programs that can vary. I always like to start 1-to-1. Your monthly payment, same as the monthly rent in that area. Now, there's some programs that we can use Airbnb analysis called AirDNA, and there's a couple other systems that we use. But I like to start off, if the long-term monthly cash flow can cover this, then that's excellent. What we use is we actually use a rental analysis from the appraiser, and then we can get help. We also have gotten help with our real estate community, or if the owner knows other rentals in the area or even has other rentals. That's been huge. So the strategy here is use it on your purchases, use it on cash out for your clients to get money out of their rentals without tax returns, and then also use it as a second mortgage. So we have an option to do a DSCR second. So just think, let's just pretend somebody has a mortgage. Let's just play a scenario here. Let's say their total monthly payment on their current loan was, because they have a low rate on it, let's say, and they only have $1,500 a month. But you can actually rent it for $2,800, or maybe they're already renting it for $2,800. Well, you can borrow the difference on that. So let's just say they wanted to borrow the amount of the difference. They can get a mortgage of a monthly payment of about $1,300 a month. Now, you're going to say, okay, well, what does that give me? So what is a $1,300 a month payment going to give you? Depending on interest rate and other things, obviously it's going to vary a little bit. But if you added $1,300, that's going to give you probably quite a bit of money for your down payment on another house. You could say it could be probably somewhere around, anywhere from $150K to maybe $160K, depending on the final numbers and the exact numbers on that, but somewhere right around there. Don't you think $150,000, $160,000 would get the investor to be able to buy another house? So that could be very powerful, is using these seconds. Not a lot of lenders are doing that, and we do them in-house, which is excellent. And we have a couple options for them. So this is a great strategy to continue to help your clients build wealth through DSCR loans and through real estate, without all the hoops to jump through with tax returns. And I believe it's a very sound program, unlike the back in the days of the no doc loans or no income loans. This is actually an income loan from a very stable source that has to be verified through third-party sources. Just like an appraisal, we have to get an appraisal on the rent through third-party sources. So that's what I love about these programs. Absolutely hated the no income, no ratio loans back in the day. Yes, I started 21 years ago in the business. But check these out. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email back. We can schedule a call and walk through it. But more importantly, if you have any clients that could benefit from a program like this, please reach out to me. Let's see if we can kind of resurrect an opportunity there for you and for them to buy more real estate and invest in this community. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day. Kevin Brierton, no excuse lender. Take care. Bye.